Yes, to conclude the lesson, Constitutional Reform Commission. What is Constitutional Reform Commission? It is to review the working of the Constitution. It was set up by Resolution of Government of India in 2000, headed by M.N. Venkatachalaya. In April 2007, that is every year, they have a thing. Meet in that get together or in a cabinet mission, they will discuss about the constitutional amendments. In such a way, in April 2007, three-member commission headed by the former Chief Justice of India, Punchi, was set by then government to take a fresh look at relative roles and responsible various level of the government and their interrelation. So what they have suggested, they want to take back their previous level as well as the government and the interrelation. Interrelation means what? Government and interrelation, the functioning of the legislative, executive, judiciary, that is called the interrelation, or you may take it as the state and the central relations also. So if they want to the any reform, that has to be done by this act. Okay, so let me conclude with this, and now we will let me conclude with this, children. The first unit is over. So by repeatedly watching this or hearing this, you may understand what is constitution and what is the necessity to learn about the constitution. So evaluation part, at the back of your lesson, one word multiple choice questions are given. Let me say the answer. First heading, choose the correct answer. First one, which of the following sequences in the right regarding the preamble? Four options are given and D is the correct answer. Okay, even while you are writing the answer in your public examination, marking of that division, whether it is A, you have to write A and then you have to give the answer. The same way, D means first. Question number 1, after the margin, D should be there in the bracket and then it should be followed by the answer. This helps you to score mark. And second, how many times has the preamble to the Constitution of India amended? Once. See, preamble of the Constitution amended only once. That's what it is called as the mini Constitution. I told you no. So only once it has been amended. And next, third question, the Indian Constitution gives to its citizen single citizenship. There are many countries, they have double citizen, single citizen, everything, but we have only one, that is single citizenship Indian. Fourth one, a foreigner can acquire Indian citizenship through naturalization. C option. Next, fifth, find the odd one out. Right to equality, right against exploitation, cultural and educational right, right to property. So all the three relates to fundamental right, whereas C option is not related. So it is the odd one, right to property. Sixth one of the following is not an instant of an exercise of fundamental right. Parents' property is inherited by their children. D option is the correct answer. Seventh, if the fundamental rights of Indian citizens are violated, they possess the right to have an access to Supreme Court of India. D is the correct answer. Now, eighth one, which one of the following right was described by Dr. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? That is option C, right to the constitutional remedies. Ninth one, how can the fundamental rights be suspended if the president order is during the national emergency? C. And next, 10th one, we borrowed the fundamental duty from where? Russian constitution. Option C is the answer. 11th question, the directive principles can be classified into, answer option D, socialist, Gandhian and liberal principles. And next, 12th, under which article financial emergency can be proclaimed? Option C, Article 360. 13th question, the procedure for the amendment of the Indian Constitution is given in D option, Article 368. And last, Which of the following committees or commissions made recommendations about to the center state relations? And option B 1 and 2, Sarkaria Commission as well as Rajmanna Committee. Option B 1 and 2. Next, Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. The concept of constitution first originated in USA, that is United States of America. Dash was elected as the temporary president of the Constituent Assembly. Sachidananda Sinha. Answer is Sachidananda Sinha. Next, the Constitution of India was adopted on November 26, 1949. Fourth, 5 kinds of writs were mentioned in Article 32. That is, we discussed. Fundamental duties have been given to the citizen of India under Article 51A. Roman letter 3, match the following. Citizenship Act 1955. Preamble, Jawaharlal Nehru. Mini Constitution, 42nd Amendment. Classical language, Tamil. National Emergency, 1962. Yes, children, we are going to wind up. The first unit is over. Whenever you find time, you can go through and try to take a notes in which part you are getting doubt. On all the one word questions you can learn, and you yourself can conduct a test at home and value it. Okay, all the best. Thank you. I'll meet you again with the next chapter. Thank you, children.